Discarded clockwork holds a silent, frozen energy. Over 1,000 miniature brass components, collected from ruined watchmakers' trays, sit waiting for a new architectural purpose. We are combining this delicate horology scrap with a heavy charcoal-pigmented industrial mortar, fusing intricate microengineering directly into a brutalist, mythical form. Preparation requires quiet categorization. Fine steel tools separate escape wheels, balance assemblies, and ruby bearings by size and luster. Isolating these golden fragments establishes the textural palette for the internal mechanism. Heat binds the inner core. Thin steel rods melt together under the TIG arc, forming a rigid skeletal framework. This interior lattice will anchor the heavy mortar masses and support the hollowed gear cavity. Ultrasonic waves strip away half a century of solidified oil and oxidation. The chemical bath cleanses every gear tooth, turning dull, tarnished metal back into brilliant, light-reflecting brass. Mineral compounds blend with dark carbon pigments. Adding water transforms the dry aggregate into a dense obsidian black mud. The viscous mixture offers a heavy, clay-like consistency, ideal for structural sculpting. Hand tools pack the dark mortar over the welded skull framework. Firm steel spatulas carve out sharp, angular planes, shaping a broad, brutalist snout and deep, shadowed eye orbits. Precision seating begins while the stone aggregate remains damp. Tweezers press golden watch cogs one by one into the chest cavity, building an intricate, overlapping matrix of mechanical detail inside the black torso. As the compound cures to a leather-hard state, steel picks trace overlapping scale geometry along the neck. Small stone sheathings flake away, revealing a tactile, armor-like surface. A hand-turned amber